Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Rail Hemo, and this video is about my vlogging equipment, those details. I will show you one by one what are the camera which I am using and what are the mic I am using and laptop and editing software. Those details I will show you one by one. Let's go, we'll see and those details. Right now I am recording this vlog in my SS M1 camera and I am using this mic, small mic. This one I ordered in Flipkart. I will give you in the below description. If you like the audio quality, please check it, and if you want to buy it. And it is very good mic, very cheap and good, but it is a color mic. And this is a Gorilla Pod. This is a camera stand I am using in my all vlogs. So when I am recording any time lapse, I used to use this one. And through this mobile holder, I will set up with this one, and I will set my phone with this. I'll set up my phone in this mobile holder, and it will record everything. And the secondary thing is this is my Nikon DSLR camera, Nikon D3200, and this is the camera rarely I will use. Mostly I will vlog from my mobile only, and actually I bought it. This is a Nikon 70 to 300 zoom lens. This one I use for a photography, so that time only I will use this one. I am not going to use for a vlogging purpose. Next thing one will be my external mic. This is a Boya MM1 mic, and this is one I use for a DSLR. And while along with this Boya mic, I get two cables. One is for use for the DSLR, and another one is for a mobile phone. And I'll get one more this I get one more stand. This one used for to set up the DSLR, and let me show you. This is how I use for a Gorilla tripod to set up my mobile. And if you see, this is the one I used to fit the camera, and this one I will fit it into this Gorilla pod so that I will record whatever so this is how I used to set up vlogging. And if you remove this one, let me show you. Sometime I used to vlog with this DSLR camera, so that time I used to fit this DSLR camera, and I will record like this, and I used to be like this. Okay, mostly I will record with my mobile phone only. And next one I am talking about this Boya MM1 mic. This one I use for a DSLR camera, and this is the stand I used to fit like this. And in this DSLR camera, I'll fit it here. And this is the Boya one mic. I'm going to fit it in my camera. So this is how I'll record vlogs from this DSLR camera. Actually, with this one I got it two cables. One I use it for a DSLR, and one more cable is for a camera. If I am connecting this mic to camera, I use this one. Otherwise, I will use this one for a DSLR. And this is my secondary phone. If sometimes if this charging is gone in this mobile, I will use this secondary mobile. And this is a Realme 1 mobile. This is my secondary mobile. If sometimes charging is gone in this Asus mobile, I will use this mobile as my vlogging camera. And let me toggle. And this is the. So let me show you my editing software and which laptop I am using. And this is the laptop, HP laptop I am using. I didn't remember the model name, and I am using Filmora software to edit my vlogs and all. So it is a user-friendly software, and this version is Filmora 8. This one currently the version will be Filmora 9. And that's all about all my vlogging equipment. I have one more camera, that is a Canon camcorder, because I gave it for a service. There is some I have one more camera, that is a Canon camcorder. So I gave it for a repair. Once I will come back, I will show you in the vlog. And these are all my vlogging equipment. Mostly I will record all the things with mobile, so it is very compact and I can use very less weight. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and subscribe button. I'll catch up in the next video. Bye.